Izindaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli, bukela inazi ezinohlonze eminingini. USergeant Fanny Nkosi uvele enkantolo yemantshi yaseThohoyandou namhlanje ngamacala okuphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho amayelana nokuthi wafika estation samaphoyisa ezothatha idokodo lecala elithize ethuthunye yekomkhulu lamaphoyisa ePitoli.
And I once again place on record that this is the bail application in terms of Schedule 1.
Siyaqhubeka namhlanje isicelo sebheli somholi we-National Coloured Congress uFadile Adams enkantolo yemantshi yasePhayindane.
The National Executive Committee have recorded our unanimous support for the President's decision to lodge that review application in the High Court.
Isigungu esiphezulu se-ANC sesinqume ukumeseka ngokugcwele umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa njengoba eqoke ukwedlulisa kombiko wethimba elathola ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi kunecala okufanele aziphendulele kulo odabeni lwephalaphala.
We have learned like so much, like how the game is played in Champions League. It's not they're not playing like most open game.
Ngarumasipha kwezemidlalo iMamelodi Sundowns izotholana phezulu ne-AS FAR yaseMorocco emidlalweni womlenze wokuqala womdlalo wamanqama enkundleni Loftus Versfeld ePitoli ngesonto. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala ezingunqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili ku-SABC 1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo ke naku-SABC Lehigh. Igama lami nginguDaud Phungula, mbukela ke singene kuzo ezihamba phambili eminingini. USergeant Fanny Nkosi uvele enkantolo yemantshi yaseThohoyandou namhlanje ngamacala okuphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho amayelana nokuthi wafika estation samaphoyisa ezothatha idokodo lecala elithize ethuthunye yekomkhulu lamaphoyisa ePitoli. Kusolwa ukuthi uNkosi watheleka estation samaphoyisa saseThohoyandou ngo-2022 ngemva kokuboshwa komsolwa thizeni ngamacala okutholakala ke nensangu, izibhamu neziqhumane. uNkosi wathatha idokodo laleli icala ethi uthunye ekomkhulu le-SAP esePitoli ngemva kwezinyanga kusolwa ukuthi waphinde wabuya wazoshaqa insangu eyayisagcinwe njengobufakazi. Kwenzeka lokhu nje uNkosi uvele ugqunye ejele kanti ubhekene namacala okutholakala ke nezinhlamvu neziqhumane ezingekho emthethweni, ukweba kanye nokuphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho ngemva kokuthi amaphoyisa egasele emzini wakhe ePitoli. Bavele enkantolo yemantshi yakwaMthumbu Muhle eMpumalanga abasolwa abane ababhekene namacala okushushumbisa imali kanye nokufumbathiswa imali. Umsolwa wesine uzihambise yena estation samaphoyisa namhlanje kuseni njengoba abanye abasolwa abathathu okubala kubo nosomatekisi uJosi Banyoni baboshwa ngoLwesibili.
Namhlanje kuseni umsolwa wesine osolwa kanye nosomatekisi waseMpumalanga uJosi Banyoni ekushushumbiseni imali nasekufuneni ukufumbathiswa imali unquma ukuyiyela yena estation samaphoyisa kwaMthumbu Muhle khona eMpumalanga. Lo msolwa ubese vele enkantolo kanye nabo laba bathathu abakhalelwa ngamasongokazi gonyelwa ngoLwesibili kuleli isonto.
We cannot say simply because the accused eventually decided to come after all these efforts as if he's attending a wedding invitation. We say that now this person is cooperative. He handed himself to the police. Ask him under what circumstances, and I do not think we'll get that precisely from the defense counsels.
Omela umsolwa wesine udalule ukuthi ngokwakhe umsolwa wesine ubehlele ukusheshe ilethe kwabakwaZidlodlo kepha watshela ukuthi akalindi iphoyisa thizeni. Lo mmeli uveze lokhu njengoba nje umbuso ubunqaba ukuthi lo msolwa ayefaka isicelo sebail kanye nalaba abanye abathatha basolwa.
Accused number 4 presented himself to the police. He does not tell my lady that in fact he wanted to come earlier but he was told wait until a certain officer was available, which will be this morning. He does not make this information available to this court to create an impression deliberately that today was but the holiday within which accused number 4 had no other place to run. And of course we'll deal with those allegations at the appropriate time when I'm able to cross-examine my learned colleagues.
Labasolwa bobane babhekene namacala okushushumbisa imali kanye nokufuna ukufumbathiswa imali.
Siyaqhubeka namhlanje isicelo sebheyili somholi we-National Coloured Congress uFadil Adams enkantolo yemanje yasePhindana. Mbukeli, ake sicoshe bukhoma okuqhubekayo enkantolo.
Not tell the court I didn't know. I find it strange that my learned friend would say no one owns a witness. When it's clear how this one is categorized, how it's clear as to what Mr. Adams asked of this witness, the statement you made to the police. And it's my respectful submission. There's no bearing on the warrant. The lawyer says, should you fail to provide us with a copy of the warrant, and even in the event that you do send a copy of the warrant to us as requested, then should it appear to our client to be the case that the warrant is either irregular, invalid, or lacking in legitimacy, but it instead is a manifestation of a politically motivated arrest amounting to corrupt conduct such as that preoccupies the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, we shall move an urgent application in the Western Cape High Court to stay the warrant pending. Yeah, I'm being persecuted politically. That's what is in his mind. Now, where is the confusion? The email is sent on the 3rd of May talking about an inquiry and a letter to the prosecutor, a letter that the General Mkhwana has received, and an inquiry that he made in April 2026. The email is the 3rd of May. There's no confusion to that. Now, we are informed there's no evidence demonstrating interference. I beg to differ. There is. And it's crucial, Your Worship, I submit, that on the video.
Mbukeli yona ke inkantolo kamanje lapha ke ePhindana lapho kuqhubeka khona ke isicelo sebheyili sikalo ongumholi we-National Coloured Congress uFadil Adams. Iqembu iANC lithi leseka ngokugcwele umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa. Ekhuluma ke nabezindaba ekomkhulu leANC eGoli uNobhala Jikelele weqembu ufikele Mbalula utshela bezindaba ukuthi umhlangano wesigungu esiphezulu obubanjwe ngolesithathu awuzange nje ukukhulume ngokwesula kukaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.
Unobhala Jikelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi i-ANC emhlanganweni ababenawo uthi abazange nje bakhulume ngokwesula kukaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.
The National Executive Committee of the African National Congress, in the meeting that has just arisen, did not consider and was not asked to consider the recall of the President of the African National Congress. Resignation was not on the table. None of those matters were on the table. The National Executive Committee reaffirmed in clear and unambiguous terms that its full and continuing support for the President of the African National Congress.
Umbalula uthi i-ANC iyasaseka isinqumo sikaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa sokuthatha umbiko wephalaphala awudlulisele ukuyobuyekezwa.
The National Executive Committee have recorded our unanimous support for the President's decision to lodge that review application in the High Court, accompanied by any other legal procedures as his lawyers may advise.
Umbalula uthi inkantolo yomthetho sisekelo ayizange imthole enecala uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa odabeni lwephalaphala.
The Constitutional Court did not order an impeachment trial of the President. The court did not find the President guilty of anything. The court did not direct that the President be removed from office. The court did not endorse the findings of the Section 89 Independent Panel.
Uthi umengameli ke uzoqhubeka nokwenza umsebenzi wakhe njengenhloko yombuso kusaqhubeka uhlelo lwezomthetho.
Ikhomishana kaMadlanga ilalela isicelo sikasomabhizinisi waseNorthwest okhungethwe izinkinga uBrown Mokgotsi sokuthi ikhoxiswe ohola ubufakazi Advocate Matthew Chuckleson. Mokgotsi wavela kokuqala ikhomishana kaMadlanga enyakenye wazwakalisa ukukhathazeka ngokuziphatha kukaChuckleson emsola ngokuzama ukumveza njengomuntu ongathembekile.
The basis of the application rests on the possibility of biasness or impartiality.
Ummeli kaBrown Mokgotsi ulandise isicelo sekhomishana kaMadlanga ngezinsolo zokuthi ohola ubufakazi uAdvocate Matthew Chuckleson wathembisa ukuvikela uMokgotsi uma njengamhlinzeka ngobufakazi obuzoqhubela ogodweni usomabhizinisi waseNorthwest uSuleiman Karim.
During the call, he told me, "Get me anything against Suleiman and I will help you." He further stated that Suleiman had implicated me and that I should find a way to defend myself. He expressed his belief that Suleiman was lying, that Suleiman had thrown me under the bus and that he wanted me to do the same to Suleiman.
And if that information has the effect of throwing Mr. Karim under the bus, if that information is true, what is wrong with that?
Commissioner, there is nothing wrong with that, hence the establishment of the commission.
Ikhomishana ibe isifuna ukuhlinzekwa ngobufakazi obufakazela izinsolo zikaMokgotsi.
With the WhatsApp messages and the phone calls that have been put as annexures, there's nothing in that communication that brings that sort of message across. Now it's information that comes from Mr. Mokgotsi.
Isicelo siyaqhubeka.
Mbukele sathi qhu eyitolo siyabuya ke nezinye izindaba ngemva kwekhefu nganyakazi. Mbukele sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda kungena odabeni oluphambili besibiko ukuthi uSergeant Fani Nkosi uvele enkantolo yemanje yaseThohoyandou namhlanje ngamacala okuphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho amayelana nokuthi wafika estation samaphoyisa ezothatha idokodo liyecala elithize ethi-ke uthunyelwe komkhulu lamaphoyisa ePitoli. Mbukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzozithola ngomtshalo bazo. Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ulinda umbiko ophelele wekhomishana kaMadlanga ngaphambi kokuba anqume ngekusasa likangqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu. uRamaphosa wanikeza uMchunu umhlabakhefu ngoNtulikazi inyakenye kulandela izinsolo zenkohlakalo nokuxhamukela ophenyweni labakwaSidlodlo.
Members of the executive are duty bound to disclose and declare gifts that are given to them, to me, and upon receipt of that declaration, we're able to say, yes, you may accept, or nay, you may not accept. So in the end, all those gifts above a certain amount are declared. So you can be rest assured that we do have a credible process in government through which the executive is able to deal with these sorts of matters. As regards the minister that has been suspended that you have spoken about, I have said publicly that I am waiting for the outcome of the Madlanga Commission.
Amalungu amaqembu aziwa nge-Progressive Caucus avele aphume ePhalamende aduba ngesikhathi umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa ephendula imibuzo yamalungu ePhalamende. Lamaqembu akhala ngokuthi umengameli Ramaphosa akanalo igunya lokukhuluma ePhalamende ngemva kwesinqumo senkantolo yomthethosisekelo esiphindisele ePhalamende udaba lwephalaphala.
Okokuqala uphule umthetho iconstitution icacile iconstitution ukuthi wathatha wesifungo sokuthi uzo apply iconstitution yena ucabanga ukuthi above the law wenza into ayithandayo ama processes abanye abasubjectwa kuwo yena akafuni okokuqala ukuthi uzo appeal iruling ye-Constitutional Court. I-Constitutional Court is the highest court in the land. Where is he going to appeal to? Which court can he possibly appeal to? These are the last kicks of a dying horse.
If it was not for the EFF, ngesibani namhlanje upresident is speaking freely. But because siyasabheke court, i-court brought them back to say to them, you have misinterpreted the rule. And even the rule that you used, ayikho right, irongo.
Inkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli namhlanje ibiza ufakazi omusha uKapteni George Mthweni ecaleni lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa elibhekene nabasolwa abahlanu.
Njengoba inkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli ipheka ngembuzo ofakazi uKapteni George Mthweni ohola ubufakazi ubuze ukuthi kuphi okubhalwa encwadini eqopha ngezihlakalo zosuku ngela ngwafika ngalo umsolwa wesibili uBongantanzi ngoNtulukazi ngo-2020.
Inkantolo kuzobhalwa serial number ye OB izabe ilandelayo bese kuba nesikhathi makuthi mhlawumbe ngo-2300 kuzobhala 300 bese kuba ne-heading ethi transito in bese kuthiwe Sergeant Mohale with one mail kushiwo igama lakhe.
Kuphinde kwavela nokuthi lencwadi eqopha lezihlakalo yalahleka. Umthweni ubesebuza ukuthi uyawakhumbula yini amaphoyisa aletha uNtanzi kulesiteshi samaphoyisa ngalesikhathi.
Captain, from your memory, because the Karen's book is not here, do you know who brought Mr. Ntanzi to Valeria on that day?
Ngikhumbula wakuna Sergeant kwangathiwa wathiwa uMohane.
And was he accompanied by any other police official?
About two. Omunye wathiwa uMabhela.
Icala liyaqhubeka.
Izakhamuzi zaseGarden Route eWestern Cape zisahlola umonakalo owenziwe imvula enamandla ebehambisana nomoya neshiya omkhulu umonakalo kanti ke nokukhuculula kweindawo ezicekeleke phansi kuyaqhubeka.
Izakhamuzi zalapha zisale idengwane ezicosha lokhu okusele ngemizamo yokubuyisela isimo kwesejwayelekile kucekeleke phansi izindlu izigcobo zikagesi kanye nemjondolo kanti kube nzima kakhulu ezinganeni ezisafunda enkulisa.
The teacher phoned me and tell me about the wind lifting the roof, and so I tell her just evacuate and just leave with the kids, and they did it in time just before the roof blow off.
I was on my way to get a blue bag that was flying into my property. When I went to look for the keys and I touched the door, I saw the tree fell. I thought, oh my gosh, I'm going to be homeless. So it was scary.
Kugenqwe izihlahla ezicele enkulungwaneni njengoba ezinye zazo sekuphele iminyaka eyikhulu zikhona.
So there were gusts, I believe, recorded over 150 kilometers an hour. I think had we not had the 200 mils of rain, the damage wouldn't have been as severe.
Izisebenzi zikamasipala nazo ziphume ngobuningi izilekelela izakhamuzi.
We're fearing that kids will play in this tree and injure themselves. So we decided to come to chop down this tree. Then the municipality can just assist us by picking up the wood.
Umasipala waseGeorge unxusa izakhamuzi zalapha ukuba zihlanganyele ekukhuculeleni ukungcola kuleli dolobha.
Bukela masibheka kwezemidlalo iMamelodi Sundowns izothalana phezulu ne-AS FAR yaseMorocco emidlalweni womlenze wokuqala womdlalo wamanqama enkundleni iLoftus Versfeld ePitoli ngesonto.
iSundowns isithole esimene engasijwayele njengoba ingakazi inqoba indebe kulesizini futhi ingahle iphunyukelwe nesicoco se-league. Kodwa abadlali baleli qembu banethemba lokuthi banganqoba umqhudelwano iCAF Champions League. uma benqoba lesicoco bangahlungela neFIFA Club World Cup.
There's still hope. You know, we're still top of the lock, so the pressure is on them. So yeah, and if we win, we qualify for the Club World Cup. You know, massive achievement for us.
iSundowns isiguqiswe emidlalweni eminye yamanqami egcina ukuyidlala okubala kuye neCAF Champions League lapho yaguqiswa khona iPyramids yaseGibhithe. Umdlalo wasemuva uDivine Lunga uthi bafunde lukhulu kule midlalo.
We have learned like so much, like how the game is played in Champions League. It's not they're not playing like most open game. So we try even like to go 50-50. Because usually us, we normally want to play them, they don't want to play, they want to score on and then they defend. So I think we have learned so much in Champions League, how the game are being played.
I think the best result is 20-0 now, no, it's a good result. We don't wanna suffer any goals, so we can go with a good advantage there. I cannot give you a result in specific, but not suffering any goals and scoring, I think that's a very good result.
Umdlalo uzoqala ngehora lesine ngesonto ntambama enkundleni Loftus Versfeld ePitoli.
Bukele sathi qo 8 ola kade umasibuya sizobeke sikuphathela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu wena ungayindawo. Bukele sizibeka lapha besikuphathele zona mina ngikukhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba uyakwazi ukuzithola ku YouTube SABC Plus kanjalo ke naku Khasilethe la ku Facebook uzithola ke ngokucinga uSABC izindaba. Angikukhumbuze futhi ukuthi oza kwethu bayeza nezindaba ngolimi lesiNdebele uma kugamanxa ihora lesihlanu kwintambama. Kanti ke thina mina uqobo ngizoba ngikhona uma libumbana ihora lesikhombisa kusihlwa ke namhlanje. Okwamanje mbukeli usale kahle.